today I wanted to share with you how I created this look. So I've been seeing this soft glam, bold red lipstick look on Instagram all the time, and I think it's so beautiful. It's super elegant and very classy. But the thing was, I wasn't seeing a lot of girls that look like me rocking this look. So instead of waiting until I find a makeup artist that would do this look on a girl that looked like me or someone do it, I decided I'm just gonna try it, and that's what I did today. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a girl that has a lot of makeup and I love to play with it. And I think this
drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah. I'm a fool, yeah, I got a love line, and ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.